This is better, right?
Yeah.
Now you know why. Now you can hear me.
Still great.
We can hear you.
Just more effort.
Thank you so much. Well, yeah, I can probably use that. So this song, and I hope you'll all excuse my keyboard skills. It's just to give you a sort of rough idea of what it would sound like. So this song I wrote. What did you say?
No apologizing is last call.
No apologizing, except that I'm a woman and I'm so sorry. It's bad, I guess. So this song I wrote when I was going through this phase. I was getting really drunk at work, and then riding the subway home by myself, and writing poetry, sort of. I mean, like, I don't know. Like, poetry is kind of an elevated term for what this is, but I hope you'll excuse the. Oh my God. I'm just gonna play the fucking song.
Yeah.
You'll know me real well now. This is soft. Can I make it louder? Just play louder, you think?
No.
You got me? Thanks, I was supposed to be a dolphin. That's what I was supposed to be. My days spent swimming with my family in the sea. But something went terribly wrong. Something went terribly wrong. Misfire. My soul was misfire. Out of paradise where we all began. I was meant for so much more. I was meant for so much more than this complicated, irritated little life I'm in. I was supposed to be a mountain. That's what I was supposed to be. Tall and strong and mighty for everyone to see. But something went terribly wrong. Something went terribly wrong. Misfire. My soul was misfired. Out of paradise where I began. I was meant for so much more. I was meant for so much more than this complicated, irritated little life I'm in. Nailing the piano, meanwhile. I was supposed to be a hero. That's what I was supposed to be. I'd fight for things I know I could. Everyone would love me. But something went terribly